not really familiar with this kind of stuff, but any light going in one end seems to come out more focused on the other. Okay, I'll just rest it up here. Neat! So, an amulet charged by the moon. Let's see if this works. Oh, pretty! It's all blue and glowing now. I guess that means it's charged. I'll just leave it as it is.
Open this door right now.
Hello again.
You open.
Just...
Yeah.
I don't know.
Open it. I swear once.
Whoa. Eat me?
Oh, no. Let's... Well...
Who is Hans Lind?
Hans? Where did you hear about Hans?
It's just written on that science award you have hanging up. Why do you have an award hanging up that's by someone else, anyway?
That's none of your business. Wait, you've been in my basement?
Let's talk about something else, shall we?
Ugh.
That's enough to...
Then... Ugh.
Oh, it's really shiny now. I think it worked. Well, for my sake, I hope it did. Guess I might have to find out soon enough.
The amulet has been formed. My words have been heeded. You've done well, dear Anna, and you've indeed succeeded.
Are you going to be okay down here? I wish I didn't have to leave you.
Please worry not for me, for this is my home. I'm worried for you out there, all alone.
I'll be all right. I have to be. I have to. For Grandpa.
Then waste not. Go forth and continue your quest. I wish you good luck and all of the best.
Thank you again, Mirror. I won't forget you. All right. Time to tell Ben and get out of this place. Okay, that's everything, Ben. I have it all prepared now. Ben? What's wrong? Ben? Wait, what happened to the hole and the handkerchiefs? No, it can't be.
Evening, Anna.
But how did you...
Quite the fun-filled evening you've had yourself here, I think it's about time we put an end to all this nonsense, though. Don't you?
No, I've come so close. I'm not quitting now. I have to escape.
Escape? Huh! Foolish child. Do you have any idea how long I've planned for this? Did you really think you would escape me,
Well, yeah, I kind of did, actually. And I was just about to as well.
Oh, I see. The hole in the roof, was it? Yes. I've dealt with that little oversight. My spell has put a stop to anyone getting through there now.
No.
I'm really growing tired of this charade. It's time to put an end to this. Ah! Ben?
Nope, not Ben.
You wretched little runt. You deceived me?
You leave him alone. Haven't you done enough already?
Oh, I've had enough of this. Of both of you. I'm going to enjoy this. Now, hold still, children. This will only take a moment. Oh, spirits of the dead. Oh, ghouls of misfortune.
Anna, I'm scared.
It's okay, Ben. You don't have to worry.
Rise from thy slumber. Disable those impune.
I'm here, Ben. I'll protect us. It looks like some kind of spirit being summoned by the witch. Surely it's meant for something evil. I should keep clear. I don't know what she's doing, but it can't be good. I have to think of something and quick. I don't think I'll be able to talk her.
A protection spell? It can't be. How could you?
Are we still alive, Anna? I don't want to look.
I don't know how you did that, child, but it won't last forever. I'll break it down, eventually.
I could throw something at it, but that could be dangerous. And besides, the witch would just summon another one. No, I have to think more carefully about this. Alright, it's worth a shot. No, I can't. I can't seem to focus properly. I guess I can't use it directly on ghosts. No, I can't. It's like there's some...
The spell will come down sooner or later, don't you worry. I'll break it down,
I can't use anything, and with that ghost between... I could throw something at it, and besides, no, I could throw, and besides, no,
The spell...
I could throw, and besides, no, no, I could, and besides, no, I can't use any, and with that ghost, I could throw, and besides, no,
The spell...
I could, and besides, no. That's it! I just have to wait for the right moment to try. Now!
And so, with the witch's plan thwarted, the girl and the bear finally made their escape. Running deep into the woods, her goal now in sight, Anna knew just the place they would need to seek next. The town of Vunderhorn, as the mirror described, lay in wait for the pair to make their arrival. But the journey would be long. The quest had just begun, and their run-in with evil would not be their last.
Hold on, Anna.
Oh, Ben, I'm sorry. Are you okay?
Just a quick rest is all.
I have a good feeling about this path. I feel like Vunderhorn's close now. I'm starting to sense a kind of energy.
Oh, wow. Maybe it's the wizard. Maybe?
It feels like it's getting closer, though. Like it's right around the corner.
Ah!
Oh my, we're all a little nervy here, aren't we?
You can talk?
Anna? Is he the wizard?
No, strange bear fellow. A wizard I am not, but I must confess, I couldn't help but pry on your recent conversation. In this town, Vunderhorn, I believe I could be of some assistance. I wonder if a kind of arrangement isn't too much to ask, my dear?
Oh, of course. If I can help, then I'd be happy to.
Excellent. And please do call me Reynard.
Pleased to meet you, Reynard. I am Anna, and this is my friend Ben.
Well, dear Anna, you see I am quite famished. And these woods, you see, they are scarce on rations for a creature such as myself.
Oh.
Oh, come now, bear fellow. What do you take me for? A savage? I simply require fruit from the tree, which my limbs are a little ill-equipped to retrieve. Now, if you could be a dear.
Okay, time to see if my practice has paid off. No, that didn't work.
Ah, splendid! Bravo, dear girl. But I must say this method of yours.
Yeah. I'm actually a little new to it myself still.
I see. Oh, but where are my manners? First things first. The townsfolk of Vunderhorn, you see, they are an unenlightened bunch. Close-minded, some might say. A talking bear fellow may come as quite a surprise to them.
It's okay, Anna. I can stay here. I don't want to be a problem.
Ben, I'm not leaving you. Not now and not ever.
Touching. Very well. Bear fellow, come with me a moment. I may have a solution.
Oh. Okay.
Anna, be a dear and turn away while the fellow gets changed, won't you?
Oh, sorry. Yes, of course. Wait, isn't Ben already kind of not wearing clothes?
All right now, dear, come along now.
Oh, Ben, you look so dashing. Wait, is that? It is! That's Vunderhorn! It's just like the mirror said.
Indeed, and at that, my end of the bargain is fulfilled. I bid the two of you adieu, and good luck in these pressing matters you speak of.
Thank you, Reynard. Thank you so much. Come on, Ben. Let's go find the wizard.
So it is true. The girl has telekinesis. Could it really be? Could she be from the farm of the West Woods?
Anna? Where is everyone?
I'm not sure, Ben. I could be wrong, but I could have sworn I saw lights turning off as we came in.
And people closing their shutters and locking doors.
So you noticed it too then, huh? It's so strange. Never mind that. Let's just keep our eyes open. There has to be someone somewhere around here who knows the wizard, right?
Okay, Anna. I'll let you know if I find someone helpful looking who's not angry at us. I'm just a regular man looking for a regular wizard. Just an everyday thing.